In a world filled with cars that strive to break lap records and conquer the tightest corners, there emerges a rare breed, a masterpiece in motion, the 2024 Lexus LC 500. It defies the conventions of the sports car realm, opting for luxury over raw aggression. This is not just a car, it's an embodiment of elegance and power, a chariot crafted for those who appreciate the finer things in life. The 2024 Lexus LC 500, a convergence of opulence and performance, a journey redefined. Buckle up as we dive into the intricacies of this automotive masterpiece, exploring each feature that elevates the driving experience to unparalleled heights. Welcome to the world of Lexus, a world where luxury knows no bounds. The iconic spindle grille, a hallmark of Lexus design, takes center stage, a bold declaration of the brand's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive aesthetics. But it's not just about turning heads, it's about commanding attention, making an entrance that leaves an indelible mark. As we delve into the exquisite world of the 2024 Lexus LC 500, prepare to be captivated by the latest innovations and enhancements that redefine the art of driving. This year, Lexus has orchestrated a symphony of upgrades, ensuring that every moment behind the wheel is nothing short of extraordinary. The heart of the driving experience lies in the cockpit, and Lexus knows it. In 2024, they've elevated the game with a revamped 12.3-inch touchscreen, a technological marvel that responds to your every command. Running on the company's latest software interface, it seamlessly integrates cutting-edge features, putting the control of your journey at your fingertips. But the enhancements don't stop there. Every LC 500 now comes adorned with 21-inch wheels, not just as an option, but as a standard feature. These wheels aren't just a part of the LC's aesthetic, they're a declaration of performance and style, ensuring that every drive is as smooth as it is visually stunning. And for those who believe that true luxury lies in choice, Lexus presents two new colors to tantalize your senses: ultrasonic blue mica 2.0 and copper crest. These hues aren't merely paint. They're expressions, allowing you to personalize your LC 500 to match your unique style. But for the true connoisseurs of automotive excellence, Lexus introduces the limited edition Inspiration Series. This exclusive offering is not just about aesthetics, it's about performance. Complete with a limited slip differential and performance dampers in the rear suspension, it transforms the LC 500 into a driving experience like no other. Imagine gliding down the road in a masterpiece painted Polar Surge satin white, the embodiment of elegance and speed. The blue leather interior whispers luxury, inviting you to immerse yourself in a driving experience that transcends the ordinary. Only 125 of these exceptional vehicles will be crafted, making each one a rare and coveted gem. But the story doesn't end here. The Lexus Bespoke Build program extends an invitation to make your LC 500 truly yours. Want a carbon fiber roof panel on the coupe? It's yours. Prefer a different color for the convertible's top? Consider it done. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. Now, let's dive into the pulsating heart of the 2024 Lexus LC 500, the engine, the source of raw power and exhilaration that propels this automotive masterpiece into the realm of high-performance luxury. Underneath the hood lies a powerhouse, a V8 engine that not only propels the LC 500 with authority, but also orchestrates a spine-tingling symphony for your ears. This is not just a mode of transportation, it's an auditory masterpiece, a reminder that driving isn't just about reaching a destination, it's about embracing the journey with all your senses. And for those who seek a different kind of harmony, a dance between efficiency and performance, the LC 500 offers a V6 hybrid setup. It's a testament to Lexus's commitment to innovation, providing an option that not only maximizes fuel economy, but extends the boundaries of what a luxury car can achieve. At the core of the standard LC 500 lies Lexus's high-performance 5.0-liter V8, a powerhouse that roars with authority, belting out an impressive 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just an engine, it's a symphony of power. An ode to internal combustion rock and roll that resonates not only with the driver, but with anyone lucky enough to witness the LC in action. Paired with a quick-shifting, yet smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, the LC500's V8 delivers a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is refined. It's not just about speed, it's about the seamless harmony between man and machine, a connection that transcends the ordinary. But for those who seek a different kind of thrill, the LC500H steps onto the stage. It's a dance of efficiency and power, a testament to Lexus's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive innovation. Slide behind the wheel, and you'll experience minimal body roll and impeccable balance, characteristics that define the Lexus handling experience. Even with the colossal 21-inch wheels, the LC maintains an exceptional ride quality, a testament to the engineering prowess behind this automotive marvel. Yet, in the symphony of performance, there's a note of practicality. Throwing out the LC's anchor is a controlled affair, thanks to a firm and progressive brake pedal working in tandem with big fade-free brakes at each wheel. It's not just about speed, it's about the confidence that comes with knowing you can bring this powerful force to a graceful halt. Step inside the 2024 Lexus LC500 and you'll find yourself enveloped in an oasis of luxury and innovation. An interior that transcends the ordinary, meticulously designed to complement the car's concept car looks. The driving position is more than just a seating arrangement. It's a carefully curated space that places the driver at the center of the action. The rich materials and beautiful craftsmanship surrounding you are not merely aesthetics. They're a testament to Lexus's commitment to creating an environment that feels like a work of art in motion. Slide into the front seats, and you'll discover excellence in every contour. These seats aren't just seats, they're thrones of spinal support, offering a level of comfort that transforms every drive into a regal experience. Whether it's a short jaunt or a cross-country journey, the LC500's front seats are crafted for both style and comfort. The technological symphony within the LC500's cockpit is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Every gadget, every interface is thoughtfully integrated, offering a seamless blend of functionality and sophistication. Yet, in the pursuit of innovation, there might be some fussy ergonomics in practice, adding a touch of excitement to the daily interaction with your luxurious command center. Venture to the back, and you'll encounter a compact trunk and non-folding rear seats, limiting storage space to a modest 5 cubic feet, enough for 2 carry-on cases. Practicality takes a back seat to the sheer elegance of the LC's design, a sacrifice willingly made for the sake of the car's sleek and aerodynamic profile, adding a touch of functionality to the LC500's meticulously designed interior. We hope this journey has ignited a passion for the exceptional, a desire to embrace the road with a vehicle that transcends the ordinary. The LC500 isn't just a car, it's an experience waiting to unfold with every twist of the key. If you've enjoyed this exploration of the 2024 Lexus LC500, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button for more automotive adventures.